Hello everyone. Crop protection and management gi first and second part mamang da nainagre ko. Sida agricultural practices ki matang da kara nainagre. Haibdi ahan bada preparation of soil. Soil jingje ahan da prepare tauba phajana taukhaiba khoigaibna singba tawra matung da number 2 da low hundoi ne bako. Swing fawba khoi tawgre. Si yengdribu singi waina ai description da link hapsar mage. Madu sangaga yengbiro ko madugi makha tarakpa third part oina adding manures and fertilizers da yengsi ko har chaibagi matangje ko daida har haibs daida manure saibam ne fertilizers saibam ne makalani to eko manure sairagadi khoi natural substance ne ko haibdi cattle dungs kumba animal waste kumba plants residue kumba sigumba jina decompose tawhalaga pathapum da halaga on ba hard ne ba koina manures haiziko aduga fertilizers haizidi koi inorganic soil haibadi chemical seasonaraga factories ta saba koi kusem gi hard ne ba sidai da fertilizers haizina ko the substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manures and fertilizers. Pambi jingina masamu phanabagi damakta hapiba nutrients machi yoina hapiba ko nutrients oina hapiba substance singje si jingje koina kai haina khangna ge kanda manures and fertilizers sarga khangnai ko bozo na hai ko sidaida I saw a healthy crops growing in a farm. In the neighboring farm the plants were weak. Why do some plants grow better than others? Farm da crop singje masamu phaba crop khara hobo uibo ko aduga hek thangnaba neighboring farm dana pambi jingje weak way ko sida haije pambi kharam na healthy oina horaga pambi kharam na weak way je kaigino havne ko weak way je kaigino har kanda mana phangbam thokpa darkar leiba nutrients singje chang chana phangdabadagi ne haiduine ko Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crops. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. Pambi na darkar leiriba minerals nutrients singje soil dagi phangba ngaktani ko. Aduga sigi mineral nutrients singje pambi gi growth ta darkar leiba ko. In certain areas, farmers grow crops after crops in the same field. Jaga kharam dadi farmers jingjina crop ama thaba loir matungda koigi example da paddy crop harzini ko paddy crop se hek lokpa loirba matung da gap sung pp dabi amuksu muk thajan ba haitare hojiki paddy crop se ko hojiki field da the field is never left uncultivated or fallow hojiki field je labuk se low u dabi sung tham tham da ba id gap su pp da ba haitare ko imagine what happens to the nutrients adu itardi hojiki field do labuk to Addaida yarban nutrients sing do kamai tawgadage habne ko habdi pambi singjina hobda nutrients sing je chupine ko darkar leiba nutrients sing je season agi doini season agraba matungda amuk masam thanda recover tawjare ba replenish tawjare ko madugi replenish tawbai matam do sung pp dabi nangdabi mathangi crop se amuk thajan ba haitare gap sung pp dabi ko ado itardi mathang dadi hojiki nutrients je masana khara wat patabni natra hojiki wat liban nutrients singje menkhanna bagi damak koina manures natragana fertilizers sizing je hapaduine ba koina ko simakha da yorong kani yango continuous growing of crops make the soil poorer in certain nutrients. Therefore farmers have to add manures to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients. When a crop singje continues so in adum tha tardi magi soil the yauriba nutrients singje poro er kaduine ko aduna farmer jingjina koi hujiki wat liban nutrients singje men khanabagi damak manure hapadar kar tai ko this process is called manuring maina manure hapaje koin kai kauge har kanda manuring har khangnai ko improper or insufficient manuring result in weak plants koina manure hapa matamjida chang chana sufficient oina hap ta tardi pambi jingje kedongni har kanda weak oini boko Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants or animal waste. Koina manure haise organic substance ne bako. Habidi plants natraga animal waste singje decompose tor matungda pathapum da halaga semba hardu ne ba koina manures haise ko. Farmers dump plant and animal waste in pits at open places and allow it to decompose. Farmers jingina hairiba manure se semnabagi damak plants and animal waste bambi natraga animal singi waste singje pits haibdi kom haibni ko kom da pumjandoi ne bako aduga decompose to hal matungda hojiki manure singje season adoi ne bako natraga ju open field da oiraju adum thammaga decompose to halaga season abju yai haibni ko. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms. Sidaida decompose to halibje karina to halino ha kanda microorganisms singina to haline bako habidi soil da yauriba microbes singina satho matungda koi hojiki plants and animal matter singje decompose to kodoine bako. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. Sigi decompose to raba matter jingje koina organic manure soina season adoine bako. You have already learned about vermicomposting in class 6. Class 6 da koi vermicomposting gi matang da koi tamkre. Vermicomposting haibidi kaino da koi earthworm sizinaraga hojiki plants or animal waste sigumba jingje decompose to hanba aduga manure semba adugi process tuni ko koina vermicomposting haije ko. Activity 1.2 si yengsi ko. Take muk or gram seed and germinate them. Hawai muk natragana chana du lawro aduga moido germinate tawro haibni ko matol chonghalo. Select 3 equal size seedling out of this. Sidagi seedling haibdi pambi masani ko. Hojiki germinate tawraba maton chongaba hawai maru size haipet manaba ahum lawro. Now take 3 empty glasses or similar vessels. Glass hangba ahum lawro natragana aduga manaba patra ahum lawro. Mark them A, B, and C. Glass ahum do A, B, and C in a mark tawro ko. To glass A, add little amount of soil mixed with a little cow dung manure. Glass A dudana lebak kharaga soil kharaga manure kharaga ko cow dung kharaga mix tawraga hapo. In glass B, put the same amount of soil mixed with a little urea. Glass B dana ujiki soil do chang do chap manana lawrani aduga sidana urea ga yangadaba ko mix tawgadaba. Next take the same amount of soil in glass C without adding anything. Figure number 1.3a. Glass C is dana soil do chang do chap manana lawro sidana kemta yalaroi ko urea ju yalaroi adagi cow dung ju yalaroi sidi simply soil khata hakodoini ko. Now pour the same amount of water in each glass and plant the seedling in them. Glass ahum dudai sing do chang chap manana hibiro chaibiro aduga hojiki ngasai gi germinate tawraba seedling jing do glass ahum duda thabiro ko. Keep them in a safe place and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, observe their growth. Moi jingje mafam chabam da phajana thambiro aduga nungtigi numit 8 ni dagina 10 ni bauze ising phajana chairaga thambiro aduga numit 8 ni dai 10 nagi matungda magi growth to observe to haibni ko. Kanana hena hawi kanana hena masa phai kanana hena masa phatte habdu ko. Growth to karam hena fast oi karam na slow oi habdu ko observe to haibne ko. Glass is dana kedoba soil ga manures ka mix torga paisigi seedlings thadoine bako. Glass B is dana soil ga koi urea ga mix torga sigi maruzes thadoine bako. Glass C dana koi soil khata oidoine bako mix togdabi ko. Aduga numit 8 ni daina 10 ni bau phajana ising jaibira thamma matungda magi growth to observe to haibne bako. Did all the plants in all the glasses grow at the same pace? Which glass showed better growth of plants. In which glass was the growth fastest? Haibnebako. Huziki thariba pambi ahumdo chap manana growth to chap manana hobra haibnebako. Karamba glass tana khwaidagi henna thui karambana tapi haibneba sida haijako. Fertilizers are chemical substance which are rich in particular nutrients. Fertilizers haije khoi chemical substance nebako. Koi akakniba nutrients amda phajana hapaba siam saraba har neba koina fertilizers haijiko. How are these different from manures? Fertilizers ka manures ka kamai khetnari no haveni ko kamaina khetnage hai kanda fertilizers are produced in factories. Fertilizers ti kaida factories ta produce to ne puthok pune ko. Some examples of fertilizers are fertilizers ke example khara har ga these ta ida pi jingje urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium ka har jingje ko jingje fertilizers ke examples ngaktani. The use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy, and maize. Fertilizers sizinabjina farmer jingda chathok yamna puthokpada mateng pangi ko. Daida wheat, paddy, maize har jingje ko sigumba jingjigi yielda koi chathok yamna puthokpada mateng pangi. But excessive use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. Koina fertilizers singje fare dana koi henna ka henna sizinabo itardi koi soil je henna lehaw farambodo faraktaningai gi maram oi haibnebo ko. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. Koi fertilizers se yam henna sizinargadi koi water pollution thokningai gi thorakningai gi maram amaju oibo ko. Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers by organic manures or leave the field uncultivated fallow in between two crops. Aduna koina smaina fertilizers singjina mangan ba sigumba jingje sidagi khara ngakthong naba koigi fertilizers sigi mahutta organic manures na sinba mathok tai bako natragana koigi field jingje koi lau udabi thamba haitar ko abdi crop amagi marakta gap khara thamba smaina nutrients singje replenish tawnaba amatam khara pi ba haitar ko. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. Koina manure sizinabjina soil ge texture jing magi masak ngong jingje ena fajahalli aduga mangonda ising tungaga leibagi capacity sangje henkalhalle haibako. It replenishes the soil with all the nutrients. Aduga manure sizinabjina nutrient kudimak loinabak recover toba replenish toba ngammi haibako. Ngasai fertilizers tadi koi specific nutrients kharak happy dana ko koi shem saraga puthokpani na ko. Aduga sigi manure sidadi nutrients kudimak loinabak replenish toba ngamhalli haibneba ko. Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. Koina crop rotation tawragaju mangkriba nutrients singje amuk recover to ko. This can be done by growing different crops alternately. When a crop rotation haije kaino har kanda tongan ba makal gi crop singje alternately koi tha ba hai tare ko. Example da koi nantak se paddy crop thareng khalji ko. Next season dana topa paddy crop nataba koi leguminous plants kumba smaina sillaga tha ba hai tare ko. Smain tawbujina koi mangkriba nutrients singje amuk recover to ngammi hamne ko. Earlier, farmer in northern India used to grow legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. This helped in the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. Koina mangai matamda koi northern India romda ko farmer singjina seasonam dana legumes thare legumes haije koi pea plant gumba beans gumba singi ko. Ado fodder saibdi koi cattle gumna sa na sajik kumba livestock ki sugumba machinja kumni ko. Fodder sairmani na sidaida dasmanthus kumba butterfly pea gumba sugumba khar lei ko legumes ko. Seasonam dana sugumba thare fodder sing legumes singje aduga next atopa seasonam dana koi wheat plants sing je thai habni ko. This help in the replenishment of soil with nitrogen. Sijna koi soil jingje nitrogen marang kaina amuk yauhanba amuk magi mangkiba nutrients singje halahanbada mateng pangi haiba ko. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. Aduna koi farmers singje tigi practice se tauba kanagani ko. In the previous class, you have learned about rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the nodules of the root of leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogen. Mamangi class ta rhizobium gi matang da koi khar tamgre ko. Habidi sigi rhizobium bacteria je raida yauge har kanda leguminous plant gi nodules ta root ki nodules ta yawe ko. Aduga moina atmospheric nitrogen fix tawda mateng pangi. Habidi koi gi atmosphere da yauriba nitrogen jidi koi pambi jingjina directly seasonable ngamdeba ko. Aduna sigi atmospheric nitrogen je rhizobium bacteria jina usable nitrogen da muk breakdown torongdoineba ko. Aduga pambi jingsina soil dagi amuk sukhat ka doineba hojiki je ko. Aduna sigi rhizobium bacteria jina breakdown tormaba hojiki usable nitrogen je leguminous plants singchina season aba yaba season agra matungda adum soil da khara di dum lem hogani til hogani dana ko aduiduna muk next wheat kumba akoi crop atopam tharak pakanda moinong season aduine ko. Next fertilizers and manures ki difference yang siko. Fertilizers da yengo. A fertilizers is an inorganic salt. Fertilizers size di akoi man-made kusiam gi oiba inorganic salt ne ko. Duga manure size na kaino har kanda natural substance ni ko obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residue. Wena santi gumba ko cattle dung, human waste gumba ko adugi pambi gi residue alemba una gumboy gera sigumba jingje pathapum da halaba matungda decompose tor matungda semba har makal duneba koina manure size na ko. Number 2, a fertilizer is prepared in factories. Fertilizer jidi koi factory the same me ko. Aduga manures na kai the same ge hai kanda fill the same me ko labuk lamhang da. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Fertilizer jidi koi soil the humus amta pi de ko. Humus have the plants natraga animals reducing jina koi on ba soil sizing je amta pi de aduga manures di koi humus yam yawe ba soil the humus yam na marang kaina yaholle ba ko. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Fertilizers size je pambi the darkar leba nutrients ing je marang kaina yamna yawi have the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium ga hai jing je ko. Fertilizers sidadi yam marang kaina yawe ba. Aduga manure is relatively less rich in plants nutrients. Manure dadi fertilizer dagi khara handai haiba ko. Yamna fertilizers tongna yaugde haiba ko. Haibidi fertilizers di akoina hapning basang do akoina hapaga sem saraga thadura aba pot ne ko. Aduga manure sidi sidaida fertilizers da yaubudawna di yaugde ko. Fertilizer na hele hai tare manure dagi plant nutrients sing di yaubdi ko.